Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's 5-minute English lesson. Today we're going to learn a very useful expression, above board. Have you ever heard it before? Don't worry if you haven't. I'll explain everything. Part 1. What does above board mean? First, let's look at the meaning. The phrase above board means that something is done in a legal and honest way. If a deal, action, or behavior is above board, it means there is nothing hidden, secret, or illegal about it. For example, imagine someone offers to sell you a car, but there's no receipt and it feels suspicious. You might think, this doesn't seem above board. On the other hand, if the seller shows you all the documents and receipts, you can trust the deal is above board. Part 2. Origin of above board. This expression comes from card games. In the past, when people played card games, they would keep their hands above the board or table to show they weren't cheating. If your hands were under the table, people might think you were hiding extra cards. So, keeping things above board means being honest and transparent. Part 3. Example sentences. Let's practice with some examples. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation and rhythm. 1. I'm sure the deal was above board. 2. I know James well, and he'd never do anything dishonest. 3. Were corrupt officials bribed by the company that got the contract, or was it all above board? Great! Let's break these down. In the first sentence, we're expressing confidence that everything was honest. The second sentence highlights trust in someone's character. And in the third sentence, we're asking whether something was done legally or not. Part 4. Wrap up. Before we finish, let's review. Above board means honest, legal, and transparent. It comes from the idea of keeping your hands visible in card games to avoid cheating. Here's your homework. Try using above board in your own sentence today and share it in the comments. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.